put some right there in front of you, smart mom. You're
Now you're going to be friendly. Emma, look up here.
What?
Look at my here. You want some? Here.
Why don't I get
See what I mean by this? They don't have. It depends on the kind of person you are and how you act. I think. Don't be mean. Don't tap or anything like that. Just be calm. Be friendly. Be calm and friendly. You're calm and you're friendly. They're nice to you. They'll come land on your shoulder and be your friend for a second or two.
Oh, you're mean.
What did he do?
He's trying to bite me.
Oh, they won't bite you.
Uh-huh. That one's
I don't know who it was that was over on my shoulder, but he was fine.
that one right there is trying to
No, up there. That's
You don't get no more nectar. I'm mean too. Y'all mean birds. Where's my elbow at?